How to make an paper 3D bird and parrot. Hello friends, today I will be with you again with a super content. Do not forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel before moving on to my video. In addition, if you have a content that you request from me, please write in the comments. Thank you. Today I'm going to try to make a sultan parrot, a type of paper bird. For the first time in my life, I will make a paper bird. As usual, I prepared my glue and scissors. I will also have my utility knife with me and will help me cut the paper neatly and carefully. Please be careful when using the utility knife as it is very dangerous. You also need to pay attention to the edges of the paper when cutting with a utility knife. If you do not pay attention, there may be tearing and deformation may occur. Now I continue to cut carefully in order to make the back area well. When cutting this area, it is necessary to pay attention to the dotted areas. These are important factors that will help us a lot when gluing. If I don't pay attention to them, our parrot may be misshapen, and an image we don't want will appear. I have been doing it as a hobby for a long time, but now it seems like this will be my profession. Dealing with handicrafts really relaxes me and psychologically rests me. I think you should try this too. People sometimes feel mentally very tired during the day and the stress level increases. But when you deal with something like this, you really feel much calmer. Yes, while chatting with you, I continue the cutting process from the wing part. I made a panda in our previous video. It seems like this bird will challenge me even more. I can have difficulty trying to cut between the wings properly, but no difficulty will discourage us. I believe it will turn out a very beautiful parrot. Chio, now it's time to pick up the pace. You're gonna watch it fast while I work for hours. Hang on, guys. There is a crucial point here. I need to fold them well to form the head structure properly. If we don't do that, the head will be misshapen. I've thought a lot about the best way to do this, and I've finally found it. I use a pair of tweezers. Tweezers help me a lot in organizing these details. It also allows me to format it properly. Our parrot's head is almost ready. It's really in great shape. I can say that I was able to give the shape and volume I wanted. I hope you liked it too. Now I'm going to move on to the other parts of his head. Then I will start the body. The body will be easier to finish, friends. I will not have too much work. Then I will add the wing parts respectively. I thought of something like this. Now I want to give you information about the figures I have made while creating these contents, and I would add and teach you something. For example, in this video we are making a lovebird in this video. I will give you information about it. My first attempt will be in this video. On the one hand, while you were watching me, I did some research on the lovebird. Now I will start to tell you. Species and characteristics. Paradise parrots, commonly called eclectus parrot, belong to the genus Psephidus. Male lovebirds are usually bright green in color, while females are more often colored in red and blue tones. On average, lovebirds are 30-40 centimeters in size. Natural habitats. Parrots of paradise live in rainforests, savannas, and tropical areas, usually in northern Australia, Indonesia, and Papua New Guinea. In nature, they usually nest in tree hollows or high tree branches. Feeding habits. They usually feed on fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and fresh plants. It is important to pay attention to vitamin and mineral balance, intelligence, and trainability. Parrots of paradise have intelligence levels that stand out among parrots. Their ability to learn words and phrases makes it more enjoyable to interact with their owners. Cage and care. A large horizontal cage. Toys and climbing areas help keep lovebirds happy and healthy. Regular feather care and nail trimming are part of their general care. Social communication. Parrots of paradise are social birds and enjoy interacting with their families. They can imitate various sounds and communicate with their owners. Fun and games. Brain teasers, climbing apparatus, puzzles, and various toys can mentally stimulate lovebirds. With activities such as listening to music, dancing, and talking. Well, we're finally out of paradise parrots. I think we made a great figure. I hope you like it too. Stay tuned for more.